Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you some of the things I do to improve my experience with my students during online classes. And for this presentation we are going to be using Zoom. Okay, so let's dive right in. So we are going to go to meeting. Okay, and before I forget, please, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Also click on the notification bell so that if I upload any new video, you'll be notified, you won't miss out. Okay, so for this presentation, we are going to leave the audio and the camera mute, the mic and the camera, because there's nobody in the room, just me. Okay, so I'm going to share screen, and then I'm going to pick on the page I want to share. Double click. Okay, so this piece of music titled Echo is what we are going to be using for this presentation, and this presentation is for everyone. You don't have to be a music teacher to be able to use these features. It's because I teach music, so I will explain better using this. So whatever you teach, you can use it. Over here you come to annotate. Okay, let's go with this. These are the features I'm going to use. So for example, now let's say I want to write some text on this piece of music. I'm going to click on text. When I click on text, check your color. It's on black. I think the default color is black, so I'm clicking black. Okay, I want to write it here. Okay, moving. And before I forget, this sheet I got it from creativityinstitute.com, so you can go there and check out some other music articles for yourself. I'll paste the link on the description below this video. You can check them out. It's free. Now look at that writing there. The moment once you finish typing, you just click outside the box, and then you have your writing. But you can add as many as you want. You can write anything. Choose your text format. You can choose bold. You can choose italic with bold. These are italic with bold. You see both of them will display here. So let's say you can write anything. You see that? Bold, italic. If I uncheck italic, it will just be bold. If I uncheck bold, it will be tiny text. If I want italic, of course, and then if I want to increase the font to 18, there you go. And you can change the color of your text to anything you want. Okay, that is that about writing. So, and also if you want to remove this, just go to erase, and then that is off. Looking at this piece of music, if I have to teach this piece to a child, I will want to make it as simple as possible for that child to be able to play. And so these are the things I do. This is how I use the tools up here. First of all, I'm going to highlight, go to mouse, click mouse so that you can move around. I'm going to highlight all of the dynamics. So we have just two dynamics here, mezzo forte and mezzo piano. So I choose my color. I'm going to choose a loud color for mezzo forte. Don't forget to go to this. This is where I go to drawings. I need this shape, because these are transparent shapes. You look at this. You see, it's transparent. Okay, and that's all the mezzo forte we have. So for piano, I'm going to choose a different color, still using the same shape. Choose a soft color for piano. Good. Mezzo piano, rather. Okay, so Okay, guys, I'm just showing you how I use these things. Okay, moving on is arrow. There are two types of arrows here you can use. I don't know, so let's go with this first. I can use this to explain that the right hand plays here before the left, and I think I don't like that color. Let me change that color. Go to undo. I need a sharp color, red, orange. Okay, that's fine. And then I can also use it here. I can also use this one. I use this one to explain that both hands have to play together. They start at the same time. You see that? So you can use any of the shapes to do anything. These are you can draw anything with them. Any shape, just keep stretching until you get the desired shape. You can use it for anything. Okay, these are tools that you can use. And then let's come to stamp. I use stamp as well. So this is where I use this, maybe this arrow to point. Okay, maybe I don't know, whatever you want to do with it. Okay, you are moving from here to here, you move from here to here. All of this is let's say we have one arrow here. No, each arrow has its own color. Just try. Just showing you all the options you have. Okay, especially this. Okay, you play this section very well. It's giving you 5-star. A lot. Even this. I love this piece. Yes. I'm mindful of how I use this. I don't use this at all because I teach children. I don't want to be misunderstood. Okay. So even with adults, I'm just showing you what to do, what I do. Okay, if you don't want it, you can erase. Anything you don't want, you can take off. If you want it, you can just click redo. Okay, undo the erase rather. Okay, you see that? Then redo to remove one. Alright, so all of this here, you can use this for your drawings. You can change it. If it's too bold, go here, change it. You see? Okay. All of this, just mess around with them, try them. And then I have spotlight. I use these points to a particular section of this I want to try to focus on. And then you have another one, arrow. You can only use one at a time to start with. Okay, so if you place it anywhere, it's going to be there. See that? That's where it's going to be. If you want to remove it there, just click here, you remove it, take it somewhere else, put it here, and it stays there. You can't have two at a time. You can only have one. Okay. You can also use text to add fingerings to the piece. So I went to text like we did earlier, click here, and then move down, good, and then I'm going to stretch to all the areas I wanted to cover, and then I don't know what text I have here, but let's see, 5. Okay, I need black, I need bold, I don't need italic, good, and I need 14. That's fine. Okay, let's see how this works. Okay, let's just increase the text. Okay, so once you're done writing, just click outside the box. You see, you have that written. All right. Okay. So finally, let's check here. Go to clear. If you want to remove this writing from the viewers page, just click clear viewers drawing. If you want to clear from your own page, just click clear my drawings. Your viewer will still be seeing this. And if you click clear viewers drawing, the viewer will not be seeing it, but you will be seeing it. But if you click clear all, now it will disappear. Everything will disappear, both from you and the viewers page. Okay, so with that, I've come to the end of this presentation. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for your time. Until next time, bye for now.